About this item, this handsaw won't quit. 4000 N testing on this 65 mn manual chainsaw means only a 988 plus lb man could break it from misuse, making these camping accessories a powerful companion to the pocket knife, pocket saw survival, tree saw high limb, rope chainsaw, bear spray, survival gear saw, army knife, fire starter, bushcraft saw, long rope chainsaw, chain hand saw for trees trimming and emergency food supply you keep inside your camping gear, hunting gear, or outdoor gear backpacking. Survival kits. Less effort, extreme power, cuts fast, won't get stuck, 2x faster cut and clear, combines 48 tiger claw teeth with 48 claw clearing bulldozer teeth. So you can cut deeper and faster, for longer than any other tactical hatchet camping supplies. We fit more camping knife teeth per square inch too, making this the ultimate people power portable chainsaws, cable saw for wood, double-sided, limb saw chain, tree cutting rope with handles, tool kit, hiking gear, string saw for doing it all. Slice like butter, retains and resharpens, no chainsaw sharpener required. STAMINA hold edge and tiger claw angle on this portable hand saw. Slice through the sloppiest, densest brush with ease, retaining its perfected precision angle, then resharpens with a standard file. Survival smart shock absorptive, light pack happy, lightweight manganese, Mn, infusion naturally absorbs shock away from hands, 4 hours of comfortable use, then quickly clips to belt loop, for zero hassle bushcraft and backpacking.